So remember conditional probability. We learned about conditional probability right at the start of the course. You can think of regression as using conditional probability. What we're doing is we're studying the conditional distribution of y given a value of x. What is y given that x is equal to this? How much does y change given that x changes by this much? So it's all conditional distributions, conditional probability. And what that means is that x doesn't even need to be a random variable. Y has to be a random variable, but x could be anything. If we're conditioning on it, it doesn't matter what its distribution is. It doesn't matter if it doesn't have a distribution. So sometimes people experimentally fix the x values. Sometimes people say, all right, I want to take measurements with this hydrocarbon concentration, and this one. You know, people often design experiments choosing the specific values of x they want to use, and that's fine because we're conditioning on x, so we don't need to put a distribution on it at all. So sometimes people use a fixed design, sometimes they don't. Sometimes you just measure whatever and then fit a line so that y and x sometimes are both random. It doesn't matter, we can still use this idea. We can still say, given that our x was equal to this, what is y? So we can still use this regression, a conditional model for y given x, no matter how x is collected.